Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life online. This classic game, originally released in 1998, still provides a fantastic multiplayer experience. Whether you want to team up with friends or challenge other players, there are several straightforward ways to get into the action. We'll cover how to set up your game, find servers, and ensure a smooth online session. To begin, make sure your Half-Life installation is up to date, ideally through Steam. Next, you'll want to enable the developer console, which is crucial for connecting to certain servers. You can do this by adding a simple command to the game's launch options. Also, remember to adjust your firewall settings to permit Half-Life to communicate over your network, preventing connection issues. Once your game is ready, you have a few options for finding a match. The easiest is often the in-game server browser, which lists hundreds of active games across various regions. Alternatively, if you have a specific server's IP address, you can use the console command connect, followed by the IP to join directly. For private sessions with friends, virtual LAN tools can create a seamless connection. Hosting your own game allows for complete control over the experience. Start by creating a server from the multiplayer menu, customizing settings like map and player count. For friends to join from outside your local network, you'll need to configure port forwarding on your router, specifically for UDP port 27015. Then, simply share your public IP address, and your friends can connect using the console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.